we have many components of plasma like water, mineral, protein, vitamin. And there is also a component of cell. RBC, WBC, platelets. There are four components of plasma. There is water, protein, vitamin, mineral. Okay, so and they have their specific functions with the help of very organ called heart. And now, heart is a pumping organ. We send blood to the different parts of our body. In this very topic, you need to know is nothing that there is a two types of blood here. One is oxygenated blood and other is deoxygenated blood. But the flow of this very blood is done by the heart. Now we have to take the functions of a heart. Let's have a look on this very figure. This is heart, and the sectional view of heart is also important to you. It will be asked in your board exams, and you need to draw like this. Okay, you need to draw like this, and we have a very important functions of this very heart. Let's have a look from the previous one. We have many marks, and we have many vessels here. Now all the blood from the lungs. Here is lungs, and do you know what this means? This means that lungs give oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood is entering through heart with this pulmonary vein. Blood is entering to the left atrium, and the blood is again passed to the left ventricle by contractions of the heart, right? After that, we have a blood here. Here is the oxygenated blood, and this is also a oxygenated blood. Now the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is again passed to the aorta and give it to the body. But this oxygenated blood is used by the cell to get oxygen, and after that we need to come back that blood to the vena cava. Now the blood from the body is collected through this vena cava and entering the heart in right atriums, right? From the very right atriums, the heart contracts and the blood goes to a right ventricle. And from this very point, the blood is again go to a pulmonary arteries and back to the lungs again for oxygenation. Now the pulmonary artery have a thicker wall when compared to others. There is pulmonary vein and pulmonary arteries. We have two types of vessels here, pulmonary arteries and pulmonary vein. But in these very vessels, we have seen that pulmonary artery have a thicker wall because the blood is emerging under a high pressure from the heart and to the lungs, right? From the lungs, again the oxygenated blood is coming through this very pulmonary vein, and now the circulation is going on. Okay, go. I mentioned you about the valve, right? Valve is very important. Valve have a very important role in the function of the heart because it blocks the black flow of blood. I mean is, ngasai valve se, masina black ang pagi blood to. Maikai amak bilas alam mana mating pang ya. Maikai halan me ade. Wah. Adugi matau dus dalai. Now this is the functions of a heart, and we have seen a very wall. You see, from this very figure, we have seen the wall of the heart. The wall of the heart. This is a wall, and this wall is called septum. And a septum keeps oxygenated and a deoxygenated blood separate. So we have many importance of separations of oxygenated and a deoxygenated blood, because it maintain the body temperature of us and also give a sufficient amount of energy. Yare ko sibok sina ko ki heart ki mathau sing ni